What if I told you the car everyone stopped buying might actually be the smartest choice in 2026? SUVs have taken over the roads. They're bigger, taller, and feel more premium. But what if a compact sedan could quietly deliver everything most people actually need without the compromises? Meet the 2026 Kia K4, a car that's not trying to be an SUV, but might just replace one anyway. The 2026 Kia K4 doesn't pretend to be rugged or oversized, and that's exactly its strength. Instead of going tall and boxy like most SUVs, Kia leans into a sleek, fastback-inspired silhouette that feels modern and aerodynamic. Up front, you get a sharp, futuristic grille paired with aggressive LED lighting that instantly stands out. The profile is low and clean, giving it more of a premium, almost coupe-like vibe, something you just don't get in most compact SUVs. And here's the thing, while SUVs try to look tough, the K4 looks refined. It's a different kind of confidence, one that doesn't need extra height to make a statement. Now here's where things get interesting, because this is usually where SUVs win, right? Space. But step inside the K4 and you might start questioning that assumption. Kia has done a seriously smart job maximizing interior layout. The wheelbase is longer than you'd expect, which translates into impressive legroom, especially for rear passengers. Headroom, still solid thanks to clever roof shaping, and trunk space, more than enough for daily life, groceries, luggage, even road trips. You also get a clean, tech-forward dashboard with dual screens, minimal clutter, and materials that feel way more premium than typical compact sedans. So while SUVs offer height, the K4 focuses on usable space, and for most people, that's what really matters. This is where the K4 starts pulling ahead hard. While SUVs are getting heavier and less efficient, the K4 keeps things light and optimized. Expect a range of engines, including a fuel-efficient base option and possibly a turbocharged variant for those who want extra punch. But the real win here is fuel economy. Compared to similarly priced compact SUVs, the K4 is likely to deliver significantly better mileage, meaning fewer stops at the pump and more money in your pocket. And because it sits lower to the ground, you also get better handling, smoother cornering, and a more connected driving feel. In short, it's not just more efficient, it's actually more fun to drive. This is the part that might make SUV buyers pause. The 2026 Kia K4 is expected to come in at a noticeably lower price than most compact SUVs, while still offering similar tech, comfort, and practicality. That means you're not just saving on fuel, you're saving up front too. And when you factor in lower maintenance costs and better efficiency over time, the value proposition becomes hard to ignore. You're basically getting 90% of what people want in an SUV at a much smarter price point. If you're thinking going with a sedan means giving up modern features, think again. The K4 is expected to come loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, all the essentials you'd expect in today's cars. On top of that, the infotainment system is fast, intuitive, and packed with connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So no, you're not sacrificing safety or tech by skipping the SUV trend. So, could the 2026 Kia K4 actually replace an SUV? For hardcore off-roaders or families that need maximum cargo space, probably not. But for everyday drivers, commuting, road trips, city life, the K4 makes a very strong case. It's more efficient, more affordable, and honestly, more enjoyable to drive. And maybe that's the real question here. Did we all switch to SUVs too quickly?